My name is Morgan, and today I'm going to be showing you all how to use the OCR tool using the Snap&Read extension in Google Chrome. So what we're going to do is first go up to our Snap&Read extension and go ahead and turn that on. And you had previously seen how to use the Read Aloud tool, so now we're going to look at how to use the OCR tool. So where you would want to use the OCR tool is on inaccessible text. So some examples of inaccessible text might be a PDF, a infographic, a graph, an image, etc., kind of anything outside of your standard web page. So we are going to scroll down to our second tool, and we're just going to choose our screenshot reader or our OCR tool, and we're just going to get that blue plus sign down the middle of our screen, and I'm just going to draw a box around the text that I want read. So let's just say we're looking at this first line here, and I'm just going to click out of there, and it's just going to read what's in there.
The sun travels through space with a whole family of...
And of course, it's only going to read what's in there. However, even though we are using that OCR tool, the rest of our tools remain accessible. So that is how you use the OCR tool. If you are lost or stuck, feel free to rewatch the video or rewind it to a point that you feel good at, or feel free to check out our website at learningtools.donjohnson.com and head to our support tab for product resources for a wealth of information. Thanks for watching.